Hi again. This week, I want you to imagine telling a new architect to just go play with AutoCAD, or a graphic designer to just mess around in Photoshop. You'd never do it, right? You'd give them a project, you'd give them a goal, you'd give them some training and some context. And yet, every day, organizations are telling their teams to just go play with AI. And then they're confused when they don't see any real results. That approach is failing. And it's failing because it's missing the point. Today, I'm going to show you how to move from aimless play to deliberate play, a structured method for creating your first critical AI win, which I call a spark. When you don't provide a focus, you get what I call random acts of AI. An engineer might build a cool tool, but a useless chatbot. A marketer creates a funky AI image that has nothing to do with the campaign. It's experimentation without a purpose. It doesn't build skills in a meaningful way, and it certainly doesn't solve business problems. Unfocused play at scale leads to investment without results. The antidote to random acts of AI is to create a spark. A spark is the first stage of the AI learning flywheel. It's about getting that first win. You take one real painful business problem and you solve it with a simple AI solution. And this does two things. The first is it proves the value of AI in a tangible way, and it sparks the imagination of your team, creating the energy you need to get the flywheel going. So this isn't a 6-month project. You can do this in a single workshop. In fact, this is the exact process we use in my Applied AI workshop. First, get the people in the room who actually do the work. Ask them to pick a process that's a known source of pain. Second, we map that workflow on a whiteboard, virtual or otherwise. Where are the handoffs, the delays, a manual entry? This is where you'll find your opportunity. For example, maybe your sales team spends 5 hours every week manually writing call summaries for Salesforce. That's your friction point. The next thing to do is to apply a simple, accessible AI tool. Don't go build a custom model or an elaborate agentic workflow. Use a custom GPT or a simple one-step agent to automate those pain points. In our example, you can build a GPT that just transcribes and summarizes the call notes automatically. The goal is a quick, decisive victory. Finally, measure and celebrate. Show the team that 5 hours of work is now 5 minutes. That's your spark. That's the win that makes everyone lean in and ask, what can we do next with AI? The first spark is the most important step in building a lasting AI capability. It's the proof of concept that builds the confidence and momentum you need for the rest of the journey. If you're a leader who's ready to move beyond go play and start getting real results with AI, check out our Applied AI workshop, designed to deliver those real results. Go to hyperadaptive.solutions/labs for more information. And thanks for watching.